Hello, this video is about API project, contact project. So that here you may ask yourself that what is API? Here I'm going to explain it. Here the introduction of API. API at first in full word is application programming interface, and its meaning is a set of rules and protocols that allow different software applications to communicate with each other. It acts as an intermediaries enabling one program to request and use data or service from another program without needing to understand its internal working. So that you've come to understand about the what is API it is, so that we are going to see the purpose of this project. This is the project of API contact. The purpose of this is to manage users data in MongoDB database. So this is where I've made my project, and you can see the all files are there, controller, user controller, and this is this is my project, first project. And here you can see api.rest file where you can access my links related to what I've created. And also here is config inf config.inf, and it is already published. Here there is a swagger.json and swagger.js, so that we are going to see how all of this is working. So we are going to see about, yeah, I'm going to demonstrate API documentation. You can see, for example, Swagger. In Swagger, this is what I've created. Yeah, this is Swagger. Here you may see it have HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. All of that, it have get as default, and user. Yeah, this is user interface. Yeah, you can see this is user interface. And then also you can see the get, post, put, delete, all of that we have it. And also we are going to see demonstration API routes. As you can see here, the first we can see the post request to create user. Yeah, post request to create a user. This is here it is. So we are going to look on it here, try it out. And then here we are going to create a request, and for example I'm going to here to change to Daniel as my name, Daniel. And also email must be different. Yeah, you can see we must have the first name, last name, email, favorite color, and birthday. That's what we're supposed to be have in MongoDB, and you can see that it is connected. Later I'm going to show you. Yeah, Daniel. Okay, so after that we are going to execute and see if it will change. So far you can see that this is Daniel, and email have been changed. All that you can see it has been done well. Yeah, that's it. For this it's working, you can see. And also we can see get request retrieve to the user. Yeah, here like this. And we are going to try it out and see how it. Yeah, from this we can go to MongoDB project, and where I've created here, this is my MongoDB project, my project, and posters. So we are going to see how we can request, by using ID. Yeah, you using get. Yeah, here is my first project, you can see, and we are going to request this by using IP address. Yeah, copy that and then come back to Swagger, and then I can paste it there and then execute. So you can see that it's working. It show you yeah, accept something that have done well. Yeah, you can see that it's working great. And also we are going to see about delete request, how it's working. We are going to see if delete request is working. Yeah, you can see you can't do it without id. Let's put the same we took from here. Put in Swagger id and then execute. Yeah, it's working. You can see it's done. Yeah, you can see that it has been done. And also other things we have to look on this API. You can see it is API is to demonstrate documentation alongside. You can see here in a GitHub. In my GitHub, I have the API list as it is already published. You can see. Yeah, here's a link. This is the link you can access by related to my project. You can see this is render.com API user ID. Yeah, in order to perform those requests, and it has been already published. Yeah, you can see all of that. And also there is a config. Yeah, it must be config. You can see MongoDB URL, something like that. It is already connected. You can see that. And also you can see here what we have in here. It is, you can see it is connected. Our database is already connected to API. So this is the demonstration of database modification, and we are going to see, yeah, all of all of things has been done well. You can see, yeah, I've showed you config users. And for database connection, here you can see it meets criteria, and sensitive database information is stored secure in .img file and publish the link config, as we've seen it in here. Here we've used uh, here it is. We've already done it, and when you see in the terminal, nothing long, there is no errors, all things has done well. You can see we've used, this is your password, something like that. It is already connected. Yeah, it is already connected to my project. That's all about this assignment. That's all was all about this project. Thank you.